Hello viewers, I hope you are well at this time and thanks for watching my videos, it's appreciated. Alright, so what is a freelancer in Bangkok? The term, freelancer, has a quite different meaning in the West, but in Bangkok and throughout Thailand it refers to an adult escort who has decided to operate alone. These ladies can be found easily in Bangkok or other popular tourist destinations within Thailand. Freelancers work on their own, without any restrictions on minimum working hours, drinks, or other requirements, unlike bar ladies or girls who work in massage parlors. They are allowed to choose which clients they speak with and ultimately choose. The ability to turn away potential customers, which is not always accessible in massage parlors and go-go bars, gives Bangkok freelancers a distinct advantage in their field of work. Full-time and part-time freelancers are two different categories of freelancers. The majority of the girls who work as freelancers or in other adult entertainment establishments in Bangkok typically do so in order to provide for their families in the north. The majority of them were born in the north and are not local to Bangkok. They moved here after witnessing a friend, family member, or neighbor return from Bangkok with a lot of money and belongings and wanting to live that life as well. Full-time freelancers focus fully on the freelance sector, making it their only source of income. Their capacity to regularly acquire clients is what gives them the money they need to maintain themselves, their children, and their families. Part-time freelancers, on the other hand, have a different way of life. They usually have regular jobs or are students who need extra money for a variety of reasons, such as paying the rent, supporting their families, or satisfying personal needs. Freelance work times become a part-time effort for these girls, occurring occasionally throughout the year or once a week. You're undoubtedly wondering by now, where can I locate these freelancers in Bangkok? Freelance work is available all around Thailand, despite popular belief. These services are typically concentrated in particular locations, usually those that are visited by tourists or expats. The Soi Nana neighborhood is a great place for anyone looking to meet freelancers in Bangkok. Although Sukhumvit Soi 4 is Soi Nana, the local people refer to it as Nana or Nana Plaza. In addition to providing several chances to network with local freelancers, this bustling neighborhood offers a secure setting free from the majority of scams. Look for lone Thai girls in attractive evening clothing as you make your way around Soi Nana streets. These gals are either freelancers looking for possible clients, or they are waiting for a friend to arrive. Their attire is typically more exposing, and they frequently make liberal eye contact while gazing confidently. Consider it a clear indication to approach and strike up a conversation when a Thai girl looks directly into your eyes and smiles at you. Bangkok freelancers can be easily identified from others in the region due to their flirty manner and compelling eye contact. If you can't locate a girl you like in Nana Plaza, try Sukhumvit Soi 11. It is known as the tourist street to be at. Many girls head straight there. These girls can be seen strolling around. If a girl is standing by herself and surveying her surroundings, and if she smiles and maintains eye contact with you, it is reasonable to assume that she is trying to have fun and earn some cash. Thanks so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you would like to see more of my videos as they are released, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button too, please.